morning, dear children. How are you? I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself and you are not bothering your parents. Very good. Okay, then today we have Chiku with us, right? Then let's start. Little Chiku was the unhappiest girl in the world because no one wanted to play with Chiku. Because a cloud of trash was hanging over her head. The cloud had orange peels and biscuit packets, broken toys and plastic bags, with flies buzzing around. No one wanted to play with the girl who had a cloud of trash hanging over her head, right? Do you want to play with that kind of girl? No, na? What if someone of it fell on your head? Yuck! Chiku said to Sana, let's walk to school together. But Sana ran away. Chiku even had to eat her lunch alone. Chiku's mother said, don't throw banana peel on the road. Throw the empty biscuit packet in the dustbin. But Chiku didn't listen. She threw trash wherever she wanted. One day, Chiku's mother became very angry. She told Chiku, soon all this trash will start following you. Chiku laughed, but the next day she woke up to find the cloud of trash hanging over her head. Chiku tried to run away from the cloud, but it followed her everywhere she went. Chiku tried everything to chase the cloud of trash away, but it just would not go away. And Chiku became very unhappy. Suddenly, something happened. Do you want to know what happened? Ready? Okay. Chiku saw Sia throwing a banana peel on the road. She made Sia put the banana peel in the dustbin. The next day, the cloud of trash became smaller. Chiku did not know how. Do you know how? No, na? Let's see. Then she stopped Ria auntie from throwing away a plastic bag. The next day, Chiku's cloud was even smaller. Now Chiku knew what she had to do. Chiku stopped people from throwing trash on the ground. She made sure that all trash went into the dustbin. The village became cleaner, and one day Chiku's cloud went away, and Chiku became the happiest girl in the world. And Chiku never threw trash on the road again. She enjoyed living in a clean village. Yes. Do you know? Cleanliness is next to godliness, right? Let's talk about trash. Let's not throw trash anywhere we feel like. Always look for a dustbin to throw trash into. Everything is not waste. Sometimes we can reuse things like plastic bags and bottles, right? So kids, I hope you liked the story. You enjoyed the story. And you have learned a nice lesson to not to throw trash anywhere. Always look for a dustbin. Right? Till next lesson, till next story. Bye-bye.